Hello and welcome to Excalibur. In this video, I'll show you a very good trick that you can use in Excel to make your data linear. So what we see on the screen is a table, and if you see carefully in the item code section, you see that there are some item codes and each has a different item code, and each of them is separated by certain blanks or gaps in the text. Okay, so each has different space, and let's say you want to align it. So there could be many different ways to do it. You could use the find function and then skip it and make the data linear, or you could use some kinds of scripts. But I'll show you the easiest way to do it, and it's like kind of a magic. So what you need to do is select all the data, do a control F, and now the most important thing, when it says find, I'll press a space bar. So I am finding this space, and then I click on replace, and I replace it with nothing. So basically my find and replace looks on the screen as I've put nothing, but here in the find I've put a space bar, and on the replace I've put nothing. And now see the magic. When I click on the replace all button, it says 31 replacements done, and you see on the left hand side that all the data becomes linear. I hope you enjoy the trick. Please subscribe to my channel Excalibur. Thank you very much.